This is just a quick video to show an example of what I'm running into with the zip code creation logic. I'm on a sales order in test database. I hit Control N to create a new order. I create it for a customer. So my employees will enter a street address, and then they'll skip to the zip code, because the zip code, if Navision knows it already, will backwards populate the city and state, which is good because it saves them order entry time, but it also prevents them from making a mistake. So let's say they have a new zip code. They don't know this is a new zip code, and they leave that field. They proceed to the lines to enter an item. They finished entering the order and they hit release. This message pops up, which is accurate. It says please enter ship to address. You hit OK and go back up here, because obviously it doesn't know the zip code, so it doesn't know the city or state, and enter in a city. That pops up a zip code table, and then we'll just close that because let's say it's not one of those, and then they enter a new state. So now they've got the full address in there. They've been forced to go back and manually enter it, and if I hit release again, it still gives me the same address issue. And now if I enter 300195555, which is what I first entered, it actually blanked out the city and state that I had just entered because the error told me to go enter it. And now if I hit release again, it gives me the same error, so I'm kind of caught in a loop. So what we need to have happen is it needs to tell the user that they have to enter that city and state, but then it needs to go ahead and create this postcode record using that city and state, and then allow the person to release the order and move forward. And that new zip code will obviously it'll create a record in the postcode table with that zip code, that city, that state, the default ship from location, and the alternate warehouse location. And it gets the zip code, city and state from the order, but it gets the default ship from location and alternate warehouse location by looking at the first 5 digits, the 30019. So this is the issue that I'm running into, is now that it seems to get caught in a loop where I can't get it to enter this zip code now, without now having to go into the postcode table and edit this zip code for the city and state. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have a question. Thank you.